Hello everyone, Marty Englander here, and I am super excited to invite you to my latest workshop, which is 20-minute apps. In the workshop, we are going to build an AI app which will have a complete management and membership and payment system that you can start promoting, implementing my 90-second video system that will attract a ton of viral traffic and help you get customers. The greatest thing about this whole method is we're going to be using AI only to create the app. AI is going to create 100% of the app. All we need to do is give it the idea, and then AI will bring the AI app to life. I've broken this workshop into 3 core stages, which is step 1, ideas that sell. I'm going to share how to find profitable ideas in any niche and for any business type, because the last thing you want to do is waste your time building an app that's not going to sell, that's not going to be attractive to your audiences. I'll share the key things that you need to know, and then you'll actually watch me do this process to start building the app in the workshop live. Step 2 is the AI app builder. We're going to be using an unknown software which is pretty new to market, so not many people know about this, to build the AI app. We're not going to need any design skills, any coding skills, any programming skills, anything on those lines. We're literally going to come up with the idea, throw the idea into the AI app builder, and then the AI app builder is going to build the app for us along with the sales page, the management system, and the payment gateway system. So all we will need to do is connect our Stripe account, put the idea in, and say how much we want to charge for this app. And then finally, we've got step 3, which I call money traffic. I'll show you how to implement the same 90-second vid format that I've used to get seen by over 10 million people online. This formula will show you how to pick up your phone, record, and post all within 90 seconds. These are effortless little videos that require virtually no editing, no fancy equipment, and they can be as casual as you want them to be, as long as they follow the outline of what I'm going to show you. I'll show you how to do all of this inside the workshop, and once again, you will not need to learn how to code or program or have even any knowledge of that. You will not need to spend days trying to connect a ton of systems together to get the final result. You won't even need to come up with your own AI prompts because the app does it for you. You won't need to spend any money on paid advertising. You won't need to outsource any development, and most importantly, you can actually get this done within 20 minutes and start promoting it, which can get you your first sale within just a couple of hours. Just to recap, here is everything you're getting. You're going to get a 1 to 3 hour workshop, which is going to be an over-the-shoulder style live workshop, and I'll show you how to get this system up and running, creating profitable apps using AI, and then invest just 90 seconds per day into creating short form videos, which will lead to getting customers. I'm also going to be giving you access to my app validator, which is based off my own frameworks, and this will guide you through the entire journey of validating your app, which is going to 10x your process, and straight off the bat will tell you if your idea is going to be profitable, and then how we can execute it all straight away. I'm also going to be giving you access to the Content Creator Planner app, which will create a content plan with a full outline of what to create and how to promote your personalized app, so you won't get stuck for any content ideas applying the 90-sec vid format. You're going to have a complete system from start to finish to create AI-based apps and how to promote them easily, and you can take this and start offering it as a service to clients, start selling your own app, or even use the app as a lead generator for your own other asset. I'll also be doing a 30 minutes Q&A at the end of the workshop, so you will have the ability to ask questions about anything that was not clear through the training and get answers on the spot. And if you can't make the recording live, or you want to watch the recording at a later point, this recording will be uploaded to a private members area, which you will have access to 24/7, which you can watch the recorded version of the live workshop from any device whenever you want. Now, I don't want this method to get saturated, so I'm actually limiting the spots. So if you want in, act now. I most likely won't be running this workshop again, as it's a brand new, fresh method that no one else is teaching right now.